Hi again, it's me, Tim. And this is the story of the first time I called Anna. Yes, that Anna, the one I met at the cafe, the one with the blue jacket and the smile. So, she gave me her number on a napkin, a real napkin. She said, call me, not text. I like calls. And I said, okay. But inside, I was like, ah! Because, well, calling someone is scary. What do I say? What if she doesn't answer? What if I forget how to speak English? But after 1 day, 2 days, okay, 3 days, I finally picked up my phone and I called her. Beep, beep.
Hello?
Hi, hello, this is Tim from the cafe, remember me?
Of course, Tim who wants love.
She remembered. Oh no. Yeah, that's me. Tim, still wants coffee.
Good to know. So how are you?
I'm good, great. I mean, normal. I'm fine. You?
I'm good too. Just making dinner. Pasta. It's a little burnt now.
Oh no, I can call later.
Nah, it's okay. It's just pasta. So what made you call?
And this is the moment. The big one. I had to say something cool, something smooth. So of course I said, I wanted to hear your voice. Why did I say that? I wanted to throw my phone out the window. But she said,
Aw, that's sweet. A little cheesy, but sweet.
I laughed. She laughed. And just like that, I felt less nervous. We talked about small things, like really small. So, do you like cats?
Yes, I follow like 5 cat pages online. You?
I have a cat. His name is Sir Sleep-A-Lot.
Yes, I remember. What does he do?
Mostly sleeps and judges me.
A true cat.
We kept talking for 10 minutes, then 20, then 30. It was easy, like talking to an old friend.
So, Tim, want to meet again?
My heart went boom. Yes, I do. I really do. Coffee again?
Maybe not. I like surprises. Let's do something fun. How do you feel about mini golf?
I feel terrible at mini golf, but yes.
Great. Saturday afternoon?
Perfect. Then she said,
Okay, Tim who wants love, I have to go save my pasta. But I'll see you Saturday?
yes, I'll be the guy holding a tiny golf club and crying.
Sounds perfect. Bye, Tim.
Bye, Anna. I stared at my phone. I had just called Anna, and I didn't upload. So yeah, our first call was weird, was awkward, was perfect. And that's how I got my first date, with the girl who laughed when I asked for love and said yes to mini golf.